seated in front of you, CEO of Idara Aesthetics, Ms. Louie Nika, the very famous actor, commercial model, and endorser, Mr. Aljura Brenica, social media star, content creator, vlogger, commercial model, actress and comedian, our new, very new endorser, Ms. Jella Andres, and last but not the least, Dr. April Milan Perez. The contracts have been signed and they will be joining Idara Aesthetics family. How about a big round of applause for that, ladies and gentlemen? Maraming salamat. Yes. And I'm sure all of your fans and family are excited for the journey that you will be having with Idara Aesthetics.
Madam, may nakalive po.
One more, please. Opo. And the last one. Okay. And just look here, pretend. Okay. More. Last one. Thank you.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. Once again, how about a big round of applause to our artists right here, and all, of course, they will be joining Idara family for the foreseeable future. Maraming salamat po. Who wants to ask first? Okay, we have Eventology by Fred and the Bill.
Hi, good afternoon. Doctora, you did discuss the new offerings, the products of Idara. You didn't discuss about the Gluta. Can you explain?
Yeah, I think I've mentioned the Gluta a while ago. So for the Glutathione Plus, it contains 3 main ingredients, which is number 1, glutathione itself. Number 2, Polypodium lobotomos, which is a oral sunblock. And then number 3 is bovine collagen. And and then the rest of the other added ingredients contribute to one's overall gut and hair and skin and our mental well-being as well.
What will be the advantage of your products, especially the Gluta, among the other Gluta brands that are in the market today?
Yeah, so for the other brands that are in the market today, as you can see, most are they only contain glutathione itself. But with Idara's Glutathione Plus, you're getting more out of it. So you're getting photoprotection, you're getting collagen, which is an anti-aging ingredient, and then you're also getting vitamin.
Thank you, Doctora. Ms. Jelay, congratulations on becoming Idara Ambassador. My question for you is, what made you decide to accept being an ambassador of Idara?
Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank Idara. Masaya-masaya po ako na ako po ay endorser ng Idara Clinic and ang ating Idara's Glutathione Plus. And nag-decide po ako kasi of course, why not? Idara po ay kilala ko noon pa at marami silang branches. Nakita ko po yung mga friends ko na influencers and mga sikat din na nakikita ng social media stars na pinagkatiwalaan nila yung Idara. Why not na hindi ko pagkakatiwalaan din, di ba? At alam ko po na yung mga subscribers ko ay magtitiwala sa aking pinagkakatiwalaan. So kailangan ko pong risk po ito para pagkatiwala ko rin sa kanila. So dapat doon tayo sa sigurado.
Congratulations po.
Okay, thank you so much. That was amazing. How about another question from our media partners who wants to ask their next question?
Hello, good afternoon. I'm Nolly for OPM Worldwide. I have a question for the two endorsers. Okay, Alture and the lady beside. Jelay, okay. Okay, my question is, what does it take or how does it feel to be an Idara ambassador or endorser? Jelay first.
Thank you po. Kasi sabi ko lang po kanina na dito masaya-masaya po ako. Siyempre, ito po ay blessing po. At ayun nga po, doon lang po ako sa sigurado. Siyempre, hindi naman po tayo dapat tanggap lang ng tanggap. Nasubukan ko na po pumunta sa clinic before po ako maging endorser. At na-try ko na rin po yung ating glutathione. And maganda talaga yung benefits niya. At sabi ko nga po, hindi ko po i-risk yun dahil alam ko pagkakatiwalaan tayo ng mga sinusuportan sa atin.
Good afternoon, Sir Nolly. Salamat sa question niyo. Actually, this is my second year na sa Idara. So far sa nakita ko yung services nila, maasahan ko sila pati sa mga doctors pag nag-consult kayo. And also, marami na rin akong nakasama sa mga nakapag-endorse ng mga products. But yung lumilitaw talaga sa akin is how we are inside the family, nagiging pamilya na kami dito. So I'm very happy and honored and papasalamat daw kasi kinuha pa rin nila ako to review sa iyo.
Thank you so much. And my next question is for our CEO, Ms. Louie. Hi, good afternoon. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Okay, my question is, how does Idara aesthetic set apart from the other aesthetic clinic that offers the same services?
So how Idara set apart from other clinics? Primarily Idara, if you get inside our clinic, we have these wonderful people who will welcome you. That's what Idara, there's real care. And then we have the expert doctors who would take good care of you, as well, of course, our staff. And our services and treatments, they execute with expertise also. And our skincare products, that we make sure that the active ingredients are very safe and beneficial to the health and health of our patients.
Okay, thank you. And for my last question, okay, ano yung may expect ng mga sumusubaybay at tumatangkilik sa gitara aesthetic for 2025? Aside from the new products that you're launching.
For 2025, Aidara is in the aggressive part of the business that we do expansion, aggressive expansion. Right now we have about 30 branches and we aim to have 100 branches in the next 5 years. And with that, we also have this as we launch our skincare products as well. We would like to also spread it to the market and do distribution for our skincare products.
Very well, so thank you so much and congratulations.
Hi, good afternoon, Maridol from Philstar.com. Besides Aidara, of course you have to supplement what Aidara offers with other ways of taking care of your skin because you have to walk the talk. Are there other ways in which you take care of your skin, like diet or sunshine? Are there other ways that are responsible for you looking as good as you are now? Yes, to all in the presidential table. Gluten-free from Aidara Aesthetic. Every week ko po yung ginagawa. So, kapag hindi ako so every week po yun. So, in between, doon ko po iniinom yung ating Glutathione Plus ng Aidara.
One way is yung sinasabi niya sa pagpapaaraw. Siguro there's a time lang na nagpapaaraw kami between 6 to 8. Sinasuggest nila yun for vitamin D minsan. And yung sa glutathione kasi nakamit ni Angela, taking it also, nakakatulong siya for sa majority, alam naman natin natin, pero para sa akin, nakakatulong siya for better sleep. So when you have enough sleep, it also affects parents' rest.
Okay, saka when you sleep well, you have glowing skin then.
Yes. Health is very important to also maintain good skin. So as you have said, ma'am, eating the right kind of food or healthy food will also help your skin healthy, look healthy. Okay, and proper diet. So low salt, low fat, no sugar. As we all know, if sugar, nakakapangit talaga siya ng skin. Okay, so we maintain a healthy diet. Exercise, we also help. Okay, so we sweat. At least magpapawis ka. And then, of course, nandun ka rin talaga yung, you need maintenance. Lahat naman ng healthy lifestyle is matutulungan niya yung skin mo na mag-improve and maging healthy. But at least, meron ka pa rin ginagamit na skincare products. Kasi yung mga hindi kaya i-address yung diet din natin, yung exercise, nagagawa rin ng mga skincare products and treatments to enhance your skin. Dora.
So this is in addition to sun exposure. So if you want to look beautiful inside and out, I think you also have to take care of your skin. So one
point of how you can take care of your skin is to supplement it with oral glutathione or glutathione plus from Idara, because it also contains oral sunscreen. Apart from the sunscreen that you apply on your face early in the morning.
Hi, my question po is for Arthur. Ano yung mapapayo mo sa nagbabalak mag-PPA treatment sa Idara?
Okay. As you can see, we are the results of the services of Idara. And I can only tell you kung paano naging proseso. Ang masasuggest ko sa kanila is first mag-consult muna sila sa Idara and sabihin nila yung concerns nila. I can vouch for kasi the doctors are very dependable at nakasiguro akong matutulungan nila yung mga tao kagaya ng nagawa nila para sa consult.
Can you give some of the treatment that you have tried from Idara's aesthetics?
I've tried Madonna, Ivy, also yung the rest nakalimutan sa abs, nalala mo yun? Yung Cryofat, also tsaka basic facials and also yung glutathione treatment, orals.
Hello, I'm Chris ng Filipino Mirror. Kay Jelay, gusto ko nung malaman kung ano yung mga changes mula nung gumamit ka ng Glutathione Plus.
When I started using Glutathione Plus of Idara, napansin ko na hindi na ako nagkaka-pimple, which is very normal sa ating mga female, na kapag magkaka-period ka, meron talagang pimple. Pero nung nag-try ako, hindi na ako nagkaka-pimple. So, sobrang happy ko. And then, yung sleep ko, ang ganda ng tulog ko, very calm. Pag-gising ko, ang ganda ng gising ko. Napansin ko yun. And then, nagbo-boost siya ng energy ko, lalo na lagi akong puyat. Hindi ko ramdam ng pagod ako kasi wala nang umiinom ako. Ayun.
Okay, and I believe we'll be having the last question from our media partners.
Hello, good afternoon po. I'm Ray from newspapers natin po. Dr. Gwen, meron bang ideal age to start skincare?
So ideally, you have to start skincare in general, or the one with retinol. So for skincare in general, ideally you have to start it around your teenage years. Prepubertal teens, they usually dabble on what's new in the market. So for retinol per se, you have to start it when you're 20 and above. Why? Because even if it's FDA approved, we have to make sure that it's also not harming the skin of the younger population. So you have to start it when you're 20 and above, when your skin can take more harsh chemicals.
So do they have to consult first?
Yes, definitely. So that they will know how to apply it properly.
Thank you po, Dr. Sir Aljur, na nagkaroon sa'yo ever since nag-start ka take ng Glutathione Plus.
Napansin ko sa akin, good sleep. Naging maganda yung quality ng tulog ko. Also, I'll share this with you guys. I drink occasionally kasi. So sometimes, may mga araw na I drink too much. Yung recovery kasi matagal. Your 30s, nagiging matagal yung recovery. And like, yung mga 20s ka, one day lang cover ka na. Ngayon, napansin ko ang recovery time ko is a day or a half na function na ako ulit. Nung take yung glutathione oral, mentally and physically, nasisecure ako. Kasi alam ko na nagiging healthy yung liver ko. Kasi yung liver natin sumasagot lahat. So it's a very important talagang bigyan ng pansin dapat sa pag-usulan natin.
Hi, for last question for Dr. Gwen. your newly launched products from Idara, will it be only available in Idara clinics, or will you be offering it online, in store, or drug stores?
I think they've launched it also online in our other online platforms such as TikTok, and then you can also purchase it in clinic.
Thank you. Congratulations.
All right, and I believe that concludes our short and very quick question and answer portion. How about a big round of applause? These amazing ladies and gentlemen. Oh, that all.
Today marks a significant chapter for Idara Aesthetics as we welcome two of our country's brightest star, Ms. Jelay Andres and Mr. Aljur Abrenica. The collaboration, this testaments the commitment of Idara to our patients, okay? Providing them the real care and the real beauty. On behalf of our team, we thank Jelay and Aljur for being part of this significant and important occasion. And I hope we will together work out this endeavor. Okay. And thank you again, and have a great day, everyone.
All right, then once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause to these ladies and gentlemen behind before us, Ms. Louie Liplica, Mr. Aljur Abrenica, Ms. Jelay Andres, Dr. Gwyneth. Maraming salamat to all of you guys, media partners, and I believe that ends our contract signing and renewal for this afternoon. To all of our media partners, to have a good photo up here on stage, but you can go ahead and take your photos of our stars. Once again, I'm Kid Cortez. Thank you, everyone, and have an amazing afternoon.